know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in my mind.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Now I'm still not working on my intro though. I am kind of working on it, but I will be working on it and it will come out soon. Anyways, I'm so excited because I just ordered a package and I think they're here because I saw a truck and then they came over here, put the box down, I think, and then knocked. So let's go check it out. So, okay, I got the box from the door already. So let's get into their position. Let's go. It's so heavy. There's so many things. I guess it was, oh yeah, it used to be puzzle ones. But, yeah. Okay, let me just put it in position. Okay, now that I am in my position, the box, don't mind the bed. Anyways, here it is. I am so excited. Yes. You guys can get the first one, but yes. Oh God, I don't really want to see. Is it all fine? I'm excited though. Let's get the paper. Okay, which one should we read first? Which one? These are the receipts, I think. Let's read this one. So, purple slime is $5. Ooh, banana squishy, $7. Clear purple glittery slime, $10. Green clear glittery slime, $10. Blue glittery slime, $8. Halloween green slime, $5. Clear Halloween slime, $7. I thought that one was really cool, so I hope it's in there. Galaxy slime, $8. I saw a video of it and it's so pretty. 2 hand sanitizers for $8. Never ordered that. And 6 extras, $6, and total $81. I thought this was worth it, but yeah. So we're gonna put them receipts, you know, on top of our little thing. The box is bothering. Let me just put the box down here. Yeah, down here. Almost broke something. Anyways, let's get the first one. So the first one looks like my purple slime, and it has so many hairs in it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, like there's hairs in it all over it. I'm already disappointed a little bit, but I think that was the only one. Let's hope. Now let's go get my little chair. So I got my chair. I actually got the high one, but you can't really see me, but that's okay. We want to see the slime, actually. That's what it was for. I still didn't change this yet. Why does it have a bead? What is it? Like, there's like something white. Okay. And it is super hard. Ew! Ew! $5. $5 stupid dollars for this? Oh no. I am never ordering stuff from that girl. I might even throw that one away. I'm cold. Anyways, I think I'm gonna get... Ooh, I think this is the clear one. Look at it. I think this is the clear one. It's kind of dirty though. Let's poke it. This doesn't have any clear slime in it. How much did I pay for this? Clear Halloween slime, $7 for this. For nothing. Maybe the spider costed $7 and she just put it in this container. Oh my god, another thing that doesn't even work. This one looks good. So this one must be the Halloween, another Halloween slime. Halloween green slime, $5. Now this one was less expensive than the one that didn't even have anything, but let's check it out. Ooh, that feels good. Actually, this one's really good. Kind of like, you know when it feels like kind of greasy? Oh, let's take out the spider out of there. Super pretty. Here's a spider. This one was $5. This is not bad. The other one was, didn't even have it. So pretty. It's kind of sticky, but I'm okay with that. Kind of like putty type. And it like shows that it was a long drive. Okay, let's just put that back in there. Okay, let's go to the next. Oh, next one. I think that is lotion. Oh, I think this is my Galaxy slime. $8. This was way more than the nothing of clear slime. Ew! It has a pretty color, okay, but like, ew! 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 Ooh! Let's go to the extras. This one there is 5. Wow, this is an extra. I never ordered bubbles. A notebook. Oh, this is a cute notebook. And it has a small pen! Great, now one of the extras are back. I don't like this. What the heck? This is bad. I like the pen, but like, look at this. The bubbles, I'm okay with this. She did pretty much use it. It's a taco in a cupcake. God dang. Anyways, then we have this num num list. Oh, it's about the sauce one. I think she just gave it. But I ordered the num nums, the one that has like nail polish or lip gloss or. Well, I am pretty happy except for this one, but it would still work, I guess. I think the extra ones are the ones that are gonna make me the most happiest. Anyways, oh, I found another extras. Oh, these are so cute. This is a pretzel. Let's show you that. And we have like a little unicorn, I think. Okay. Doesn't smell very good. Those are cute. Anyways, oh, I think I found hand sanitizers. Ooh. It's a button. Let's see. That's cool. And then we have this one. This one has a little bit though. I'm okay with it. Might hang this in my backpack once. Anyways, these are so cute. This one, let's see how they smell. Oh, that smells like my teacher's hand. And there's Copacabana coconut. You can see. Turn it on. It smells like those Cocoa Mexican lollipops are so good. Oh, I found a num num. I think she opened it already. Let's see the num num first. Oh, it's a nail polish. Oh, it's so cute. There's the, oh yeah, it came with the tortilla. It's so cute. Let me just put it in here. I never learned how to do this crap because it's so hard for me. Get in there. I don't know how. Anyways, it came with the checklist. Yay. It's broken in half. Anyways, let's see which ones we got. So we got the lemon one, which is sun. The lemon cream polish bit and the tortilla. Is it tortilla? What is this one? It's gonna take a little while because. Oh, is it? Oh, it's rosy raspberry. How does this scram? I hope it's lemonade. That'd be fun. Ow! I see two more things. Ow! Right on my loose tooth. No, the wind! it smells so good. It smells kind of like lemonade, the one that Mom makes, but anyways, I wish it was real lemonade. Guys, I think I'm just gonna go get a drink right now because I'm so mad. I think I'm just gonna go get might just go to the mocha place and get an iced coffee. It's not coffee, but like, let me just go because I am getting so mad and everything. So let me just go get some. Let me just ask my mom. She said yes, but I'm not gonna be recording because then my camera almost dying. But yeah. So I just came back. My mom didn't want to be in the camera, so she left, ran into her room. I think she left somewhere, but I got it. I'm so mad. Okay, I'll put that inside. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, I found something. And my squishy. It's not slow rising. God. Look, guys. I'm not liking this. First of all, you stupid banana never asked for you. Guys. It won't get back down. I never knew that. Oh my god. That's a fun banana. Ooh, it's stretchy. How much was this thing? I might buy more of them. $7, not $8. Well, for me, but I'm still not storing. Oh, I have one last thing. Well, 3 last things, but there's only one. This should be. I have the clear purple glittery slime right here, the green one, and the blue one. The blue one. So pretty. Hey, I gotta tell you a little secret. Guys, this slime is actually not mine, it's my friend's. I'm scared, but she told me I can have it a little while ago when I went to get iced coffee. She said that you could have it because I don't want it anymore. And I said, oh my god, that's I'm so happy because I got scared. I was like, she never told me I could get it. It's cold. Anyways, give me a second. Yeah, close it a little bit. Anyways. make bubbles with clear slime, or else it gets air bubbles, and I think she does that with the blue one. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, let's go. The green one. Oh my god. It has like plastic on top of it, so it doesn't like move, but I might put the blue one into the one that didn't really work to the spider one, because I don't want to have one for the only one. I really want to mix them up, but at the same time, I don't want to. Looks like snot. Blue one, I think I can make bubbles with this one, because it ain't that clear anymore. Oops. The blue one feels like putty a little bit, which is what I do not like. But I will be fine with it. I love this. Oh my god, the green one is so pretty. I love the purple one more. I love all of them, but yeah. This way. Okay guys, so I just need to tell you, thank you so much for watching this video. And actually, just to let you know, this is not real, okay guys? It's not real. I was just bored, so I decided to make this video for you guys. A like is always appreciated, so go ahead and like this video, please. And subscribe, turn that notification on, or else you die in your sleep. No, just kidding, no, you won't die in your sleep. You will. Never miss a video if you subscribe and turn notifications on. Thank you for watching. Ciao.